Hello, my name is Sonia Landivar, and I am going to start answering the questions for Chapter 14. The first question has two parts. One is supporting the Milgram study, and the other one is not supporting the Milgram study. Okay, the first part is the Milgram study should have been conducted because it provided vitally important information about the troubling human tendency to inflict pain and suffering on others in obedience to authority figures. The Milgram study yielded vital information. His study achieved the goal to make us understand why people follow other people blindly. For instance, those who have read about the horrors of World War II have wondered many times about what drove the guards of Nazi death camps to obey their superiors, and most of us have been very critical of them. However, through the Milgram study, we can feel more reassured about the real feelings many of these guards may have gone through. In Milgram's study, the teachers who were part of the volunteers group were observed sweating, trembling, stuttering, and biting their lips. Others laughed, which could have been taken as a nervous laugh. All these suggest that the participants' psychological distress resulted from a conflict between a desire to avoid harming others and a need to conform to the demands of those who hold legitimate authority. The second part of this question is, despite the value of the knowledge the Milgram study provided, it should have never have been conducted because it subjected research participants to tremendous stress. The Milgram study should have never been conducted. As the researcher, his first ethical concern should have been to protect the dignity and welfare of the participants, and he failed to do so, and deceived the participants, who blindly followed him until the end. It is very difficult to anticipate people's reactions, and it is very difficult to recognize when a person's emotional well-being is at risk. That is why the rules should be very clear when conducting experiments. The person conducting the study has the obligation to minimize any procedures that have the potential to make participants feel bad, humiliated, embarrassed, scared, anxious, stressed, saddened, or discouraged.